Yeah guys, before you ask me, I bought another package from Gymshark. And that's because the clothes that I opened in the last video were really good. I really loved how they made me look, how they made me feel, how they felt on me. The quality was very good. I love the material and I fell in love with the brand and soon maybe they will sponsor me. Who knows? Gymshark isn't really popular in Bulgaria where I live. People in the gym ask me, where did you get this from? And I told them, Gymshark. It's a really big brand and yeah. Here are the things. We got boxers, tank, another tank, and a cap. We're gonna start with the tanks. The first one is white. It's called Legacy Drop Arm Tank. It's size M, as you can see, hope you can see. It's size M. Whoa. Whoa. It's pretty cool. It very much reminds me of this old Gymshark era with David Late, Anthony Montero, Lex Little, James English and many other athletes. It's really nice and stretchy material, as you can see, and we're gonna see how it's on me. I really like it. That size M and I'm 6'3", weighing 80 kilos. Around 80 kilos, but yeah. Basically, that's how it fits. Yeah. The second one is basically the same but black. It's also size M. It's also Legacy Drop Arm Tank and yeah, let's unbox it. This is the black one. It's basically the same. And yeah. I probably like this better. I don't know why, but I like it a little bit more. Now we're gonna open the cap, which I ordered. And that's the cap. It's got the Gymshark Athletic Depth text here and another text here, which I don't know what it says. A logo here and this and yeah. I love the colors. I think that's called navy blue, dark red and white. And yeah. And for the last, I'm gonna open the boxers, which I obviously not gonna try in this video, but here are the boxers. The Gymshark text, the logo on the band. I ordered them size L because I'm a big boy. As you can see, there are 3 pieces of these boxers. The material is 95% cotton and 5% elastin, which is gonna be very good for your body because the cotton is very good material for your clothes. It's very important that your clothes are not made from polyester because that's harming your body and your hormones. And yeah. Before I go to the gym, I want to tell you guys about the new split that I'm gonna do for the next couple of months or years. I don't know. But I'm changing it. And why I'm changing it, I'm going to tell you right now. For the past months I did the push-pull legs with upper lower split and I decided to make a little bit of changes. Why I did these changes? Because at the end of the day, you gotta enjoy the split that you're doing and the workout that you do. To be honest guys, that split got too fucking boring for me, and right now the split that I'm gonna do is upper lower upper, rest, and then upper lower again, rest. That is basically 3 upper days and 2 lower days with 2 rest days in the week. I'm doing this speed for like a week now and I'm progressing about every workout, which is fucking crazy, guys. And yeah, don't get me wrong, with the push-pull legs upper lower I progress like crazy, but as I've said, it got too fucking boring. Today's Friday. I'm going to do my 3rd upper day for the week. 2 of these upper days I'm starting with chest because I want to bring my chest up. I think that's my weak point. And to get that bolder shoulders look, one of them I'm starting with shoulders with side delts. That's for my split, guys. You're going to see with me whether it's good or bad, whether I've progressed or not. And yeah, enough with the yap. Now I'm gonna eat and get to my workout. We're in the gym. There are like 1,000 people here. It's full because it's Monday. And now we're starting with incline dumbbell press, and we're gonna do with the 50s. Last time I did like 7 reps, and now we're gonna aim for something like 8 or 9, but we'll see. I expected 9 reps, but I did 7, and that's probably because I didn't sleep so well that night. I slept like 5 or 6 hours. But anyway, we're gonna do the workout. We got really pumped. And we're gonna see the pump check. we're done with the workout. We did the upper day. I wasn't as strong as I was supposed to be, but as I've said, that was because I didn't sleep so well that night. I did the same reps as the last week, so yeah, it's pretty good. And now we're gonna do IGF-1 signaling with these healthy carbs, because why not? We have to fucking ascend. He's upset because there was no bananas and he can't do a proper IGF-1 signal. So